Your favorite clothes deserve a gentle, hand-like wash. To give the same, Bosch brings you a new range of top-load washing machines, crafted with German engineering for Indian laundry needs. Our latest top-load washing machine with the innovative Expert Care Wash System. Its unique droplet drum is inspired by the gentle rubbing of clothes by hand, and the asymmetric paddles at the bottom resemble the rough surface in a hand wash. The pumping tower creates water splashes as in a hand wash, and magic filter removes lint. The 3 cam impellers move up and down, mimicking the pounding action of a hand. And a scrub pad cleans even the most stubborn stains, just like you remove them by hand. The result is spotless clothes free from 99.9% of bacteria. That's what our Expert Care Wash System delivers, giving outfits hand-like care. The lid closes slowly without slamming. Experience an ergonomic control panel, thoughtfully placed behind for convenience. It also stays safe from the dripping water of freshly washed clothes. Have flexibility with multiple soak timings. Start the Smart Suggest program at the touch of a button and let the washing machine give you the best wash. If you want to customize the wash, do it with the Expert mode. Get a host of features that elevate your laundry experience, reducing up to 50% tangles. All this on wheels and easily movable with handles, so you can shift it anywhere easily. It is powered by the highly durable and energy-efficient Vario inverter motor. It comes in 3 variants and 6 colors. Get yours with a 3-year comprehensive warranty, 10-year motor warranty and 5-star energy rating. Bring home a Bosch. Treat your clothes to a hand-like wash.